Hey everyone, Wink here from the Shadow Hour Podcast. I am here to show you the new Yeti Nano from Blue Designs. They just announced it today, and I am going to unbox one, show you guys what it looks like, and plug it in and review it and see how it sounds. Alright, so let's go ahead and start opening this thing up. Alright, so we get it open and you see the paperwork, manual, product registration, um, card telling you about Sherpa, which is their new software for the Yeti Nano, and I believe will later be available for the regular Yeti. And all right, here we go. Let's pull this thing out of here and check it out. Woo! All right, look at that. That is a pretty sharp little microphone. All right, so here on the front, looks like the volume control. The back side is where you change the pattern of it. Let's see, it's got the, it is cardioid and omnidirectional. So it'll pick up sounds from every direction or just the front, like a standard, you know, dynamic mic. And then on the bottom is where you have your USB plug-in, you have your monitoring for your headphones, and you also have the thread drive, so I could actually hook it up here to my Compass mic stand if I wanted to as well. But this is a pretty nice little stand. It's pretty small and compact, kind of stays out of the way. It's very nice. I do like this. The portability, I'm sure, is going to be fantastic. So here's one of the adapters. What else is in here? All right, here's the power cord. Good. Being stubborn. All right. And the rest of in the box is just the foam packaging. So that is pretty much what comes with this thing. Now it's time to plug it in and just check it out and see how it sounds. So let's do that. All right, I'm back and I've got this thing unboxed, hooked up. I'm actually using it right now. I am using the direct monitoring that is on the underside of it to use my satellite headphones to actually hear myself at the moment. And it sounds really clear. It sounds really good. I am pretty impressed. So one nice thing about the Yetis, versus a lot of, like condenser mics or powered mics or anything, especially for like podcasters or streamers, which are the people that this is absolutely perfect for, is it has a you didn't hear me. It has a mute button. So like you can just hit the button on the front, turn off the sound. It glows green whenever it's actually recording audio, and then whenever it's muted, it turns red so that you know that it's not picking up the audio, which is a really great feature in my opinion. Now let's check out the other setting, which is the omnidirectional, so it'll pick up sounds throughout the entire room. Kind of my room's solid wood floor and everything, so it's probably gonna be a little bit echoey no matter what I do. But here we go. All right, so this is the omnidirectional, and I am on the back side of the mic, and it is still picking me up really well, really clear. So, I'm pretty impressed. It'd be great for conversations like a big Skype call or something along those lines. Here, we'll switch it back. Like I said, you can get this thing for $99.99, bluedesigns.com. Highly recommend it. It's a great intro mic for podcasters or streamers or anything of the sort. The direct monitoring is absolutely awesome, really useful. Highly suggested. I mean, as far as basic, pretty entry-level mics, pretty hard to beat for the price. Sounds really good. I like it a lot. Very impressed. I've been sitting here kind of messing with it for about 10 minutes or so, and I am very impressed. Blue Designs has done it again, and it is much smaller than the Yeti, a lot less space, so like I can still kind of get to my computer, and it's not in the way. It's nice and compact. It's pretty easy to take if I want to take it somewhere. Just the amount of space it takes up. Excellent. I am really impressed. So yeah, if you want to get one of these, go head over to bluedesigns.com. Make sure you use that promo code SOPOD and let them know that I sent you. And I'll catch you guys later.